Bulls versus Rai Rai. Team Rai Rai. Shout out na madam kay Utol Merrick Pyron. Shout out. Ano kay Mark Pyron. Rebound for Estaka. Basket. 2-0 for Estaka.
Clock 14 seconds. Clock 14.
Bang!
Artisola 3-4.
5-0 for Estaka. Rai ball short. Rebound for Estaka Bulls.
Foul number 14, Romeo, that's his first personal foul, first team foul. Clock 14 seconds.
Shout out Buboy Butod of Estaka. Shout out. Basket.
Artisola 3-4.
3 points again. 8-0 para sa Estaka Bulls. Basket. Gusto na, wapagin niyo siya. 8-2. Antipon! 11-2, shout out.
Shot clock 15.
And basket for Red. 4-12.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Rebound for Estaka Bulls. Basket.
Timeout, Florida.
4-14 ang score para sa Team Estaka Bulls.
At 14 seconds.
4-14, 7 minutes.
Score 13-4 in favor of Estaka.
Four 13. Shout out kay Pasite Jeremy. Shout out. Estaka Bulls and another. 15-4 for Estaka Bulls. Oh! Back up.
Remaining time 7 minutes. Remaining time 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
Mag-ano ako kadamot na.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Hindi ko shoot.
Ball.
18-6. Uy! Mark Pyron, go, 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 Estaca. 18-6.
15 seconds. Shot clock 4.
Torres!
Remaining time 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Shot clock 4.
Rai ball, short. Rebound for Estaca Bulls. 18-6 and score still.
Shot clock 18 seconds.
Basket. 26 na ang score in favor of Team Estaca Bulls. Tres basket.
Romania
9-20.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Uy!
Foul number 14, Romeo, that's his second personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
9-19, 9-19. Sabi ko 20. 20 and 9. Rebound for Rai. Team Rai. Gadalagan, Delabes, there's a foul.
Foul number 14, Montanel, that's his first personal foul, first team foul.
Britannia number 17 basket. 10-20. Second attempt on the free throw line for Britannia basket. 11-20 in favor of Rai. Ay, Rai. Ano gali ng Estaca Bulls, sorry. Rai, gali nga ng free throw. The rest again! Wala. Ball para sa Rai. Shout out kay Archie Kumawas Madam, kay Matthew Domingo. 11-20. Nice pass. Fouled.
Foul number 16, Nikilia, that's his first personal foul, second team foul.
Basket. 12-20. Hindi na magampang mula. Karon lang. Basket again. 13-20. Blocked by Eslawa. Eslawa drives no good. Rebound for Rai. And
Shot clock 14 seconds.
steal.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 13 seconds.
13-22. Basket. Time out.
Foul is Saka.
15-22.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 13 seconds.
15-22 ang score. Galaot ang Team Rai Rai versus Team Estaca Bulls.
Shot clock 15. Arquisola.
Idol ko na si Jerry Santillan, a.k.a. Abdul Jack Mauchito. Steal! For Rai Rai. Romeo attacks! No good! Rebound.
Shot clock 20 seconds. Remaining time 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Foul number 17, Britannia, that's his first personal foul, 35. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10. Arquisola. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10. Remaining time 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock 15. Abale. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Shot clock 14. Britannia
Britannia for 3. Ano oras? Out mo, Mac.
Shot clock 15. Abale 3-4. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds. Shot clock 14.
Rebound for Rai Rai. Eslawa, no good.
15 seconds.
Naas, nice pass.
Abale. 35 seconds.
33-18 ang score. Kinsin.
35 seconds. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10.
Rebound for Estaca.
30 seconds.
Kung nga na ba 36-18. Basket. 36-20. Ramo, Islawa ba? 3. 36-20. And the first quarter. 35-20. Galing.
And the first quarter is 25-20 in favor of Estaca.
Mughal Islawagan. 35-20 end of first quarter in favor of Estaca Bulls.
Ulit pasok ko ito. Number 10 sa Lagana, ulit pasok. Number 3 sa Lagana, ulit pasok.
Kulintas po si Racing Sing. Lego pa kakase prindat pa. Second quarter. Rebound for Estaca. Ganar.
Sa clock 15.
Go Utol Merrick by ML. 37-20. Eslawa for 3. No good. Another one. Basket. 22-37.
Sa clock 15 isa pa. Sa clock 12 isa pa. Sa clock 12 isa pa. Sa clock 12. Sa clock 12.
Shout out kay Vicente Ganar. Shouts. Ara na si Idol Jerry Santillana. Shout out. Ano kay Matthew Domingo. Shout out kay Vicente Ganar from J. Paul Hambaro. Ay, ano sa? Wala sab. Oh, sige. Na balay sa busan.
Naman.
Score 22-37. Wala sab! Eslawa drives. There's a foul.
Foul number 91, Cecilian, that's the first personal foul, first team foul.
Eslawa on the free throw. Basket. 23-37. For Estaca Bulls, 23-37. Second attempt for Eslawa basket, 24-37 in favor of Team Estaca Bulls. Maniso ko din bago ko din. Uy, Diyos ko, magkalabalik na makamuda gani.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Lopez, steal, for right. Grabe, pangita ba?
Shot clock 15.
Hoy! Hoy! Trapped!
Shot clock 4.
Eslawa for 3, short! Out of bounds!
Remaining time 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Sino na injured sa Estaca, madam? Sino ko siya? Ito naman. Si Lopez. Ito na sa Gidlaga. Nasaan? Ganar for 3! No good! Out of bounds.
Shot clock 14.
Eslawa fades away short. Rebound for Rai. Another one short. Isa pa. Wala pa din. Steal for Solis. And jump shot. No good. Wala. Ball for Estaca.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 14 seconds.
24-37 sa gihapon for Estaca Bulls.
Shot clock 15.
Bernard drives. Trapped. Ngayon pasa to Lopez. Wala. Rebound for Rai. Eslawa. And steal. Ball for Rai.
Remaining time 6 minutes.
Team Rai Bull. Nice pass.
Loser.
Basket. 26-37. 11 na lang ah.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Ganar. Yung pasa. Basket.
Santillan.
4, Santillan. Nice pass. Ay! Lang alam siya. Steal! Eslawa basket. 28-39. Timeout.
Halal Mustafa. Remaining on 5 minutes. Foul number 91, Santillan, that's his second personal foul. Second team foul.
Very good. Sakto na, sakto na. Sakto na, sakto na. Si Lopez ang na-injured. 26-37. 28 galit. 28-39 galit. Sorry. Ganar. Nice pass! Yeah!
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Denied.
Shot clock 4.
And steal. Rebound. 4. Team Rai Rai. Eslawa.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 5.
Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 17, that's the first personal foul, third team foul.
Loses number 20 on the free throw. Ay! Short. 28-39. Idol ko to nagtapal. Clark loses. Sorry, show. Second attempt.
Ano ba sweet ay Michael?
Uy, short Japon. Toso silver. And block.
Remaining time 4.
Eslawa. 28-39.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
See? Tres! Oh, luces sa ni Matthew Domingo. Tres! Basket! Four! Santillan! 28-42. Basket four loses. 30-42.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Eslawa drives versus Ganar. There's a foul.
Foul number 1, Bernard at his first personal foul, fourth team foul. Remaining time 3 minutes.
basket. Second time basket for Esalawa. 32-42. Ganar short. Rebound first. Wala! Esalawa.
Shot clock 19 seconds.
32-42 for Estaca Bulls. Basket! Walo na lang ay. 34-42.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
15, walo na
Shot
lang.
clock 15. Shot clock 12. 10.
Wow, basket! 34-44.
Number 1 is Esalawa. That's his first personal foul, first team foul.
Byron on the free throw. Bonus throw. 45-44. Ay, 45. 35. 34-45. Galit. 34-45.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Basket. Nice pass.
Remaining
Promise,
time
Lawa.
1 minute and 55 seconds.
37-45. 36. Galit.
Shot clock 13.
36-45.
Shot clock 10. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds.
36-45 for Team Estaca Bulls. Esalawa attacks. Lays up. Basket. 38-45.
Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Ganar versus Solis.
Foul number 2, that's his first personal foul, second team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 8 seconds. Shot clock 5.
Awit din.
Foul number 1, that's his second personal foul, penalty.
38-45.
Remaining time 1 minute.
Basket. No na lang. 39-45.
55 seconds.
And steal. Four. Right. Nice pass. Basket. Apat na lang.
45 seconds.
41-45. Kaya na mga amigo. Go. Estaca. Apat na lang daw. Ang 15. Apat na lang.
15 seconds.
Kita yung sa malaring at sa ano.
31 seconds remaining time.
General sa support pa.
30 seconds.
2 minutes na nga lang ako pa.
25 seconds.
41-45.
15.
Ay! Traveling.
Remaining time 18 seconds.
18 seconds remaining. Second quarter. quarter pa lang na.
Remaining 18 seconds.
Ano ka na? Huwag na am.
To field.
41, 45. Lopez, 43.
Foul.
Field! And a second quarter, 41, 45.
In favor of Saka.
Pitan mo yan, no? NG. Naku, siya yung kita.
Shout out, Captain G on the house.
Hindi kita burger.
Kasi kami, daw.
Ano gusto mo eh, ano? Ay.
Oh.
Yan na kasi sila.
Oh, sige.
Ha? Nice. Wala ko lang sa kapag.
Ano oras ba ko daw? Iyakan na na. Ay, sige. Ay, Runas. April 28.
Asal ba? Yan ba? Buta. Ganda. Sinabi na ko sa'yo, yun ang lens mo lang.
Hindi ko yun. Ayan ko. Ano yun? Grabe ka lang rin. Hindi na ito na. Speaking nga ako na-release, hindi ko na Go, Marco Abale. Abale, shoot. Shout out. Joren Robles Arquisola sa Team Estaca. Shoot, me go from 30. Estaca, ginagawa. Oh, pwede sila. Pwede. Third quarter.
Fourth quarter.
Ano yan?
Sige.
Inaya Torrico.
Rest na yun? Rest.
Number 29, 3-4.
3 points again ang base ng Team Rai Rai. 47,
Shot
45,
clock 14 seconds.
47, 45.
Shot clock 10.
Hey!
Ako na kasi pulo. Mag-4 sa front, maganda ko yung Miyoro.
Foul number 24, that is first personal foul, first
Nasa
team
kanila
foul.
kita, sino na?
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Uy! Still, for Rai Rai, 47, 45.
Shot clock 14.
14 pa ah.
Shot clock 10.
Oh! Abase na ang Team Rai Rai, 47, 45. Oh! Blocking foul.
Foul number 24, that is second personal foul, second team foul. Shot clock 17 seconds. Shot clock 14.
Rebound for Rai Rai. Alipat ka. Basket! 49, 45 for Team Rai Rai. Time out
Time out is covered.
for Esteca.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
49, 45 in favor of Team Rai Rai. Grabe na lang ako itong 15.
Tapos taruma, yung
Shot clock 15.
Posisyon.
Shot clock 10. Foul number 9, that's his first personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Ina yan, ina yan.
Shot clock 10.
Ina yan.
Hinaya lang pala. Hinaya lang.
Foul number 15, Abale, that's his first personal foul, second team foul.
45, 49. No, Nato, no good. Second attempt. Basket. 50, 45 for Team Rai Rai.
Ano ba, sir? Formation.
Shot clock 16.
Hindi mo nga, ano ito ko yan. Ano tawag sa TikTok na kanina?
47, 50.
Sa TikTok na lang.
Shot clock 15
Love
seconds.
stars. Di mo love stars, ano kanina tayo? Ah, basket.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
Oy!
Cars.
Foul number 69 at his first personal foul.
Ano na ako, mag-view ako na kami. Nagaya ako na ano. Ngayon mo, second triangle na yan.
Remaining time 6 minutes.
47-50 ang score. Hindi mo ano naman siya
Shot clock 15.
Good daw, Francis. Atat na po.
There's a...
Sorry, pre.
Foul number 69 at his second personal foul. First team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Ano yung flavor sa isa na ba?
Mental niya.
Ano yung saya? Nice.
Ay! 2 versus 1.
Wala, coach ko.
Okay, gusto mo. Gusto mo mga rin. Nonato, free throw, basket. 51-47. Nonato, second attempt, no good. Ball for Estaca Bulls.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 4.
Hey! Wow, basket.
Owi, ah!
51-49.
First personal foul. Remaining time 4 minutes and 55 seconds.
49-53. Basket 50-53. For team Rai Rai 50-53.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 4.
Ay!
Shot clock 4.
Oh! Gabato, oh.
Saya kabalo ko magdala ka lang. Saya kabalo ko magpunggo.
Tres!
Kabalo ko
Ball
magpunggo.
for Rai Rai 55-50. Tres! Wala!
Foul number 22, that's his second personal foul. First team foul.
Puro may ano sila sa likod.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Shakag siya.
Civil boys.
50-55.
Ano yung sagot mo? Ano yung siguro mo? Kaya mo na tayo pagdaan mo yan?
For zero.
Remaining time 4 minutes. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 5. Shot clock 5.
Jump ball.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Sorry, vlog ka.
Ano naman na? Pagka... Amo na lang kanyo. Ano mo? Amo ka na tayo.
Jesus Coronado, that his first personal foul penalty. Remaining time 3 minutes and 14 seconds.
Ang relay, so namin.
Junio, number 9, on the free throw line. Baskets. 51-55. If ready.
Dito na.
51-55 para sa Team Rai Rai.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Foul number 15. That's your second personal foul penalty.
Shout out, Kapitan G!
3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ano na sasabihan?
Ang angat, kami ito suming. Gawin naman. Mabait kami na.
Free throw, ina yan. 57-51 for Team Rai Rai. Laot ka ni 15, no?
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 4.
Oh!
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Hey!
And the remaining
57-54.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Tatlo na lang.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Yes! Wala. Tumiko pa.
Mira.
Shot clock 15.
Isa na lang. 56-57.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock 13 seconds. Shot
Oh!
clock 4. 2 minutes.
Time out!
Timeout is over. Remaining time 1 minute and 45 seconds.
56-59. Shout out Dam. Galing sa BJMP. Galing kay John Simpson. Wangit. Wala siya. Matay mo pinaya ang size. Large ko gani. Madam, shout out kay Jules Sarmiento Perales Jr. Alin kay Sir Ronnie Lupo.
Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Red for Julio! No good! Wala! Sama! Rebound! 4! Esta ka, boss!
Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Igo sa tripod, Dadang.
Sorry, wala ko kinasan.
Sa tripod.
56-59.
Mission to yun. Para ka-plaster mo lang. Massage ako.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 4. Remaining time 1 minute and 15
Saan ba
seconds.
sa ano?
1 minute and 15 seconds. The black goal. Number 19, Wallace.
58, 59.
50 seconds. The black goal. The black goal.
Ay!
40 seconds.
Tapos nakakamlaman ko good customer.
Ay!
Headshot!
Ball for Team Rai Rai.
Remaining time 30 seconds.
30.
Galing sa talong. Sa talong.
Ito ka bala sa dalo mo.
Na, ako pusta mo ko rin.
25 seconds.
Dalo ka.
The black 16.
Wala, hindi ka na. Dalo ka.
Nice again! Ang muti mo kalimutin mo.
50 seconds for Canada. Now, number 24, that is third personal foul penalty. Remaining time 15 seconds.
Mer, dua! Mer! Hirap na.
Jordan. Free throw basket. Wallace, 59. Saka. Oh.
Miragos na. Miragos sa Slow.
Jordan back for the free throw. Wala. Rebound for Team Rai Rai. Wallace, 59. Oy! 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 May na nakita na?
On the third corner,
61-59 para sa Team Rai Rai. Di ba daw ako?
Hindi ka man yan, ama.
Damo ko ito puti na ba?
Napilo na. Wala sila mo yan. Ha? Wala mo yan. Hindi din ba?
Shout out kay Nene Gaas from Karapka from Clyde Simpson. Visit nila. 61-59.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Ay! Let's go, foul.
Foul number 7, that is first personal foul. First free foul.
Basket.
Sige lang dito siya.
63-59.
Shot clock 15.
Basket. Morgan on. 62-53.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Let's Noah. Basket for loses. 65-62.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Foul for number 16.
Foul number 16.
Ekilia.
That's his first, that's his second personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, 8 minutes.
Uy!
Ano makibot? Baladam kaya ako nakatubos siya.
62-67. Short. Basket.
Isa mas shot yan, hindi naman ko nakatubos.
64-67.
Shot clock 15.
Loses.
Shot clock 5.
Tres! Loses ball. And there's a foul.
Foul number 91, that's his third personal foul, third team foul.
Ba't kami kain?
64-67. Free throw for loses. Short.
4-67-64 in favor of Roraima.
Ang
Remaining time, 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Loses mo kulang. Manghod.
oh, hindi ko kabalo na.
Oo, okay sir, kay Bell yung magulang.
Basket.
Ako yung magulang.
68-64.
Pasmit na ako, batch ko na. Marino magulang na.
Shot clock 15.
Soles. Back. 70-64. Rebound for Rai Rai. 70-64 score. Steal. The Killian. Okay.
Shot clock 15.
Sandalian, the Killian.
Foul number 20, that's his first personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds.
70-64.
Shot clock 10. Foul number 17, that is second personal foul, second team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 4.
Number 3. Rebound.
Remaining
For
on
Team
6
Rai
minutes
Rai.
and 10 seconds.
Shout out kay RG Kumawa. Sa rin kay Matthew
Shot clock
Domingo.
15.
Nonato.
Shot clock 10.
Fades away. Rebound for Santillan. To Lopez. And drives. No good. Bernard. Basket. 66-70. Treslo. Bang!
Isa sa tres yan. Ilang kaya? Isa sa tres.
66-73.
Kasi yung kare nila.
Hey! 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 Basket! Time out!
Timeout is over.
75-66.
Foul number 18, that is first personal foul, fourth team foul. Remaining time 5 minutes and 18 seconds.
5:18 pa, lawig pa.
Sam.
Siyam.
Laban. Sinuman si Sam.
Ano ako kayo? Wow.
Gusto ka mo? Bago ba? Kanya kong na ako.
May photo agap. Magkakad ko sila sa lorong.
Oh.
May Rene, ito ano.
Akin mo yan.
Basket for Islawa. 66-76.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock 15.
Ganor. Rebound. Four. Right.
5 minutes.
Ay! What gap? 66-78.
Minsan mo daw naman. Mabuti mo pa nila.
Shot clock 15.
Kita mo itong leto dito. Ano mo? Sino ka pa nila?
Shot clock 10. 3 seconds violation. Remaining time 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
4:40 remaining. 78-66 in favor of Team Rai. Islawa for 3. Bam! Wow.
Foul number 1 is lower than his second personal foul, third team foul.
Stop there.
Santillan. Shot clock 14 seconds. Remaining time 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds. Foul number 12, that his first personal foul, third team foul.
68-78
Remaining time 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Dari sa may, wap. Dari sa may ako. Sa may ako.
Pengitsurahan. Kasi minit pengitsurahan. Kami lang, may sira kayo.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Why ka away?
Shot clock 10.
Dalawa ma yung why ka away.
Uy! Ah, bale.
Shot
Game
clock
pass.
5.
Basket!
RD Solo.
Wala na sa Facebook.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Facebook. Oh no.
Gusto mo lamang lahat, kaka mo basket, nalaka mo ID.
Shot clock
Guys, ito mo
14.
yung taon.
Shot clock 5. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Uy!
72, 78.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Shot clock 16.
Ay! There's a foul.
Foul 18, the 2 seconds, personal foul, penalty. Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
That's now on the free throw line. Basket. 79, 73. Second attempt. 80, 82. Hey! Basket. 74,
Remaining
80.
time 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
220.
Shot clock 15.
Bulls. 74, 80.
Shot clock 17 seconds. Remaining time 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Basket time out.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Basket time out ang ambalya. Basket time out. 72, 80.
Last 2 minutes. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Pass!
It's long.
72, 82. Ay,
Remaining time 1 minute
74
and 35 seconds.
nice pass.
Time out to Royal.
76.
Remaining time 1 minute and 29 seconds.
76, 82.
For 82-76 in favor of Ryan. Remaining time 1 minute and 39 seconds. Shot clock 15.
Islama. And Naya for 3. I'm good.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
120.
Five basket. And we see that his second personal foul penalty. Remaining time 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Bonus throw for number 7, Artisola.
Shot clock is full.
Lain ba?
Shot clock 1. Shot clock 7. Shot clock 5. Foul number 1, Ganar, that is second personal foul.
Free throw para kay Aslaw. 23 seconds.
23 seconds.
23 seconds remaining. Basket. 83-81. Basket again.
Timeout is timeout. Remaining time 23 seconds. By the pressure of those remaining time 23 seconds.
84-81, 23 seconds remaining.
Oh, tawag, tawag.
Shot clock 13 seconds. Remaining time 23 seconds.
Janin!
Shot clock 14.
Basket. Basket, please.
Shot clock 12. Remaining time 43 seconds.
Where's the free?
18. 15. 12. 10. Foul number 1, Ganar, that was their personal foul. Remaining time 9 seconds.
Motanan.
Remaining
Ganar.
time 9 seconds.
Motanan, Ganar. Motanan.
Tahu niya. Overtime ko ta. Hindi na ako na overtime.
9 seconds. 5. 1 second.
Final score.
Saka 3.
Ganardid.
Final score, 86-83. Best girl today,
Number 1 eh.
number 1, Happy Christmas.
Pila ka points? 7? Lo, ay napuntos mo. Congrats, Ezrawa. Congrats, Rai. Congratulations. Best player, Hermes Lawa.
Ang mga pamalo.